Do you know you can cook an egg into your microwave under 30 seconds?
Can you?
I want you to go to the kitchen and grab an egg and put it into your microwave.
Okay, go. Let's go. We're going.
So,
Microwave.
where's the egg?
Where are the eggs? No, I have like fucking hundreds.
Yeah, it's up here. Yeah. Put it in the microwave.
Okay.
Now
The egg
turn
is
it
in
on.
Okay, go. There you go.
Okay, let's see what will happen.
It's just a magic.
I'm a bit scared. It's
Just keep it.
Okay.
It's cooking. Wait. It will be so delicious.
Will this make a massive mess in my mind?
Exactly. Let's in the maximum.